Hey guys, welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. I'm Greg, and this is one beautiful 65 Mustang Convertible. It's got a brand new crate motor under the hood. It's a 5-speed, the top goes down, beautiful interior, beautiful underside. You're gonna love checking it out. So go to the website at vanguardmotorsales.com. We're gonna put it up in the air for you so you can check out the underside. We're gonna get out and drive it. We're gonna look under the hood. We're gonna look in the trunk. We're gonna look at the interior. We're gonna show you everything you need to see so you can make a great decision on your Mustang investment. So come on up and we'll fire it up for you right now. So check this beauty out, man. The blue on it is amazing, and the bodywork on it is just gorgeous. Look at the chrome on the front. All that chrome looks brand spanking new. The grille, the pony, the bumper itself, and the paint work. All the gaps are nice and straight. The hood's lined up real nice. Now, it's got a real fine metallic in it. You almost can't pick it up unless you get up on it real close. So that metallic is really looking good in there. The painter that sprayed this car was a real pro because he laid it down on there nice and smooth. The American Racing wheels are popping, looking good. The emblems look great on the side. Now the door lines up nice here. Maybe the gap's just a tiny bit wider at the bottom than it is at the top. Within acceptable ranges. This gap is almost perfectly straight. Look how nice and smooth that door opened up. And look at all the door edges here. It's got the original body tag on it. You can see they had the latch out when they restored it. They've replaced the rubber. We've got beautiful paint here on the door, beautiful interior. It's got the wood steering wheel, and there's that 5-speed shifter. I tell you, I drove this car yesterday and just had a hoot driving this thing. I tell you, it's probably one of the best driving Mustangs I've driven. It's got air conditioning, we got seat belts in the back. Now, if you want to check out pictures of the car with the top up, go to our website at vanguardmotorsales.com. There'll be several pictures of the top up. I would never put the top up unless I want to turn the air conditioning on. We'll get in the trunk here and check it out. Again, the chrome on the back bumper looks new. The gas cap looks new. Now, the surround around the key here, that looks original to the car, and it's in great shape. Inside the trunk here, everything looks great. It's got a brand new mat in it. The floor looks good. It's all been coated. You can see a brand new gas tank in there. The wheel wells look nice and solid. The back sides of the quarters are nice and clean. All the gutter system here around the opening looks good. The lips on the deck lid look good. And now look down the side of the car. Look how nice and straight it is. Like I said, the body man on this car did a phenomenal job. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we're not consignment dealers. That means we own this car. We own all of our inventory here at Vanguard. Right now we have a little over 225 cars in stock, and we brought in 49 new cars last month. So we've always got new stuff coming in. Now I'm involved in buying every one of the cars here at Vanguard. So what that means to you is you're getting my 35 plus years of experience in the muscle car industry helping you pick out your dream car. All right, let's take this Mustang Convertible for a ride. New crate motor, convertible, top down, and air conditioning on. I'll tell you what, my knee is cold. It's about 95 degrees out here, and that baby's putting out cold air. 5-speed shifter, beautiful paint job. I mean, it's a Mustang Convertible, guys. This thing's ready to go. It's got a brand new crate motor in it. It's got a 5-speed. It's got air conditioning. It's got it all, and it is cool. Driving awesome, too. I tell you what, it's driving like a 2018. Just as comfortable as can be, smooth as silk. You are gonna love it when we park this dream in your drive. So call Tom at 248-974-9513. Tom will tell you just how easy it is to park this dream in your drive. Now, if you want some help with financing, we can help you with financing too. So just call Tom. It takes about 15 minutes with the banker on the phone. We'll get you all set up and we'll get this baby parked in your drive where it belongs. Now look down here on the dash. Again, everything looks great. I mean, the speedo's working, looking great. Oil pressure's right in the middle where it should be. Amp gauge looks like it's hooked up. Temperature gauge is right where it should be. It's got the rally pack on it. Our air conditioning, just old school, and I'm telling you, that is putting out some cold air. Now, the radio is aftermarket, but it's fit right in the stock location, and I love this 5-speed shifter, man. It's got the long stick on it. It's nice and comfortable, real comfortable to shift. The clutch feels great. The brakes feel great. The steering feels awesome. Get going here. Let me shift a couple of gears, and look at that. No hands on the wheel, Mom. How cool is that? We'll even hit the brakes. Look at that. We're hitting the brakes, no hands on the wheel, and it's stopping straight as an arrow. What a sweet ride we've got here, guys. Now this one's not gonna last long. I tell you, one of the hottest cars out there right now are these 64.5, 65, 66 Mustang Convertibles. And I'm telling you, I do this for a living. You don't find these in this good a shape very often. So come visit us. We'd love to have you. You know, a lot of our customers buy sight unseen, so we don't get to meet a lot of our customers. And we also do something else that nobody else in the industry does. We're gonna put this car on the lift so you can check out the underside, and then we're gonna pop the hood and take a look at that brand new crate motor making that music coming out of them tailpipes. All right, we're underneath this blue 65 convertible now, and it is just as nice underneath. You can see it's got a new tank, new exhaust, 355 brand new gear, brand new track lock rear end. It's got lowering blocks in it. Now on the brakes, the guys will pull those all apart, make sure they're in good working order. It's got brand new mufflers on it. The frame looks good. Now it does look like the car has had a new floor pan put in it, and they did a beautiful job putting it in. I tell you what, you can't hardly tell it's a brand new pan other than it looks like a brand new pan. The workmanship on putting it in was fantastic. You can see this is the extra brace they put on the convertibles. These are the plugs. That's how you get to the bolts for the seats. You can see the frame here is in beautiful shape. It looks like that's all brand new. All the welds look good. They did a real pro job doing this. We got a T5 5-speed trans. It does have the manual clutch linkage. It does have power steering. It's got new lower control arms. It does have disc brakes up front. Does have a sway bar. The radius arm bushings are new. Bottom radiator hose is new. The motor is a brand new crate motor. It's a 306. It's a 30 over 302, and it is a roller motor. You can see the cross member up front here looks good. The chrome on the front bumper looks great. Now these tires show a little bit of wear, and we are replacing the 2 front tires. Let's look at the wheels. All right. Great looking American Racing wheels. I don't see a mark on them, and we're going to replace these tires with a similar tire in a 215 45 17. And again, the emblems look good. Paintwork right down to the bottom edge looks good. The pinch weld looks great. I mean, she is a beautiful car. Let's look at the rear. All right, back tires are in good shape. 225 45 17, and again, looks like brand new rims. And again, look at that pinch weld and the paintwork on the rocker right down to the bottom edge. And always feel these lips. Make sure those lips feel nice, good, and solid. And that wheelhouse is nice and solid. It's feeling great. Let's get under the hood and see that new crate motor. All right, under the hood here, we've got a brand new crate motor. It's got an Edelbrock intake on it, a 600 CFM Holley carb with vacuum secondaries, electric choke. This is what's making it cool. It does have an air conditioner on it. It does have power brakes, and it does have power steering. Radiator looks like it's fairly new. Inner wheelhouses are nice and solid. Shock towers look good. Firewall's nicely painted. Bottom side of the hood's nicely painted. This is a sweet little Mustang, guys. One of my favorite Mustang convertibles we've had in a while. Call us at 248-974-9513 and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream in your drive.